Welcome to this tutorial on setting up the US Bank mobile app. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of downloading, installing and configuring the app on your mobile device. First, you need to download the US Bank mobile app from the App Store for iPhone users or Google Play Store for Android users. Simply search for US Bank Mobile and select the app from the search results. Click the Install button to begin the download process. Once the app is downloaded, open it and click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to accept the terms and conditions of the app. Review them carefully before proceeding. Next, you will be asked to log in to your US Bank account using your online banking username and password. If you do not have an online banking account, you can enroll directly from the app. Enter your username and password and click the Login button. After logging in, you will be asked to set up a 4-digit passcode and enable Touch ID or Face ID for added security. This will allow you to quickly and securely access your account information. The app will then ask you to set up account alerts, which will notify you of any suspicious activity on your account. You can choose to receive alerts for large transactions, low account balances and other events. Now that you have set up the app, you can begin to explore its features. You can view your account balances, transfer funds between accounts, pay bills and deposit checks using your mobile device. You can also use the app to locate US Bank branches and ATMs. To get the most out of the US Bank mobile app, make sure to regularly update the app to ensure you have the latest security features and functionality. Also, always log out of the app when you are finished using it to protect your account information. By following these steps, you can easily set up and start using the US Bank mobile app to manage your finances on the go. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your account information confidential.